Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to this walk in my beautiful village of the Netherlands. Today is actually a winter day, hence I'm dressed for that. But as you can see, it's very nice and sunny. So I have decided to vlog and take you guys on this beautiful day. I had done one of these videos in the summer time, so I'll just show you how different it is during winter times. Although today it is so beautiful and sunny. We should not be fooled. This is not every day here during winters. Yeah, sunny. But whenever it is, I take this opportunity to go on a beautiful walk and of course take you guys along. Let's go. After staying in the Netherlands, I have learned to respect the weather. Earlier, when I was just new in the country, I would like wear a nice fancy beanie and like wear some nice fancy jacket and go out, which would look nice but would not actually protect me from the weather. Now, staying here for 3 years, I have learned to respect the weather. As you can say, someone is very happy on the walk. But now, after staying here for 3 years, I have learned to respect the weather and dress accordingly. So even if it is sunny, I have my hat on, I have my scarf on, and just for the purpose of this video, I don't have my gloves on, but usually I will also put on my gloves because I have learned my lesson. Behind me is actually a train track, which from here the train used to go to Germany, but obviously that is not there. That is not the case, but there is something really interesting here. I don't know what it is. I always look at it when I pass from here. Have seen this path so many times in my videos, but this is actually fields where crops are grown, and now that I've stayed a full year in this village, I've seen all the process of that, like plowing the fields, sowing the seeds, and then the huge crops, and also the harvesting. And now in the winter, of course, it is like this. Sunny, it's quite windy though, and the Dutch have a concept of walking outside. It's called as uitwetten. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I've heard that the concept is like if you walk in the wind takes your troubles from one ear and out of the other. And again, I don't know how true that is, but for my walks, what I've noticed is when you go out for walks during the winter or on the times when it is very windy, you are so focused on the wind and the weather that even if it is temporarily, you forget all the problems that you have or the worries that you are having. So yeah, it may not solve all your problems walking in the wind and in the cold weather, but it definitely helps you forget them for a while and enjoy the nature. Come on this walk every single day, but every single day whenever I walk here, I feel so much gratitude in my heart that this view is just walking distance from my house. And I don't know if actually the people who are born and grown up here appreciate this as much as I do, because this is regular for them. But even after a year of staying in this beautiful town, every time I see this, I'm just so mesmerized. All right, guys, I'm going to conclude my walk and my vlog here. This is a very beautiful spot which we like to hang out at. Honestly speaking, we don't come here often because, as I said, it's cold with the near the waters. But in a sunny day like this point gives the best view. Oh, Vada. As you see, my time is up. Thank you so much for spending the time watching this vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.